Yeah, 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 ha. Yeah, 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 yeah. J business. Intergalactic, nigga. Scheme Price. Just landed and shit. Taking over this motherfucker. Check. Got a spot in Ganesha Hills, brick of the cavi hit. If you wanna test it, bring it, we used to the battling. And I'm harsh with the verbs and the adjectives, nouns that I hit them with, sorta like I'm smacking them. Rhymes sorta elegant, sick with the patterning. Flows like an alien, straight out of Saturn. Heavy in the streets, so there won't be no tattling. Basically the best is here, your homie, that's what's happening. And MP3's what I'm slanging them. Double up and charge it to the game in them. It's a perfect picture what I'm painting them. Bullseye I'm aiming with, and I ain't for joking, so you best know who you're playing with. They look scared to death, I can see it in them haters' eyes. They don't spark no hotness on me, all they do is plagiarize. It's a fact, need a meal for the budget, and don't trip, we gon' make back with the publishing, but this is how we go.
Yeah, and we do this on the regular. By the time you look, money gone out the register. You're dealing with a crook, baby 10 steps ahead of ya. Chasing that cheese, networking on my cellular. And we do this on the regular. By the time you look, money gone out the register. You're dealing with a crook, baby 10 steps ahead of ya. Chasing that cheese, networking on my cellular.
Ever since a baby I've been troublesome. Stash in my mama couch, rims on the Chevy truck, straps at my brother house, fresh out the pen again. Homie got a G number, acting with the poker face, hoping I'm gon' see summer. Went from selling dimes on that Pico strip, now we graduate to organize on that Rico shit. Peep this shit, diamonds in the bezel, 3, 6, 9, and 12. It's on, so if we got some business, yeah, make sure we on the level, homes. Yeah, they make cubes, yeah, they really stones. If you ain't, then you should leave the game alone. Hotter than the stove, then the kettle's on. Fuck where the hell you from. You can set trip if you wanna bet the homie got a gun. Whiffs of the powder got me on again. Fighting with my girl, talking shit on the phone again. She mad at the kid, cause I boned her friend twice. Yeah, but that shit ain't my fault though. She couldn't come around when I'm horny then.
Yeah, and we do this on the regular. By the time you look, money gone out the register. You're dealing with a crook, baby 10 steps ahead of ya. Chasing that cheese, networking on my cellular. And we do this on the regular. By the time you look, money gone out the register. You're dealing with a crook, baby 10 steps ahead of ya. Chasing that cheese, networking on my cellular.
Now then, I see the cops, then I'm bailing out. I ain't got the timing though for bailing out. Got a crazy buzz on that internet, stays on the paper chasing. Yeah, they blogging, got the rap critics anticipating. Lately, I've been tripping on some model dating. If she ain't a dime, then I ain't got the time to waste it. Face it, guess it's all a part of growing up. Used to trip on any shots, now there's been less throwing up. Yup, this the 9 from the 10 to the 57. I'm an LA kid, but been here since the age of 7. Got an uncle with his own church, and yes, he's a reverend. Got a brother doing 60 for a 211. Check it, we don't buy the bullshit that you selling, or believing in the dummy shit that you be yelling. Better get it right, Scheme Price the greatest, and I don't give a fuck, and I'm lynching all them haters, yeah.
And we do this on the regular. By the time you look, money gone out the register. You're dealing with a crook, baby 10 steps ahead of ya. Chasing that cheese, networking on my cellular. And we do this on the regular. By the time you look, money gone out the register. You're dealing with a crook, baby 10 steps ahead of ya. Chasing that